time my pupils quarter-sized, I'm lifted. I need endorphins high, if only for the night I'm injured. I set my core aside like fuck the source, kill my symptoms. Just got my sword and spine, the mission sorta lined up with them. I tried destroying mine to cleanse the boredom out my system. I see that borderline of luring corpses out my sickness. I metamorphosized and made a course about my trenches. I let the Lord decide if I would go or not, and He sent me. I showed my mortal side and she was mortified, I witched them. I closed the door sometimes, still go to war behind my sister. My head absorbing, now I try ignoring signs that I'm leading. Lay dormant, poor disguise, this shit made your now it's my city. For touring, I hit Brody with a quarter-pound, he a 50. Even when a nigga scoring, I'm assisting. 6 deep, 140 rounds that I see me. Niggas know it come with noise around my city. Niggas can't talk about points without my mention. Just another point, my poison by addiction. When I defeat one, another 3 come around grinning. Got my feet up and my feet up to contentment. Smell weed smoke around, cheaping sound of my wisdom. Got my reach long and outreach on my limits. Cause I reopen out, squeezing all of my limits. But I leak on the ground, creeping up in my business. Shit, was my one way to patch the dead. Ain't have nothing to back the checks. I make love and I latch my chest. We stay hungry, dodging the feds. Was humble for they could teach me. I starved my ego instead, undercover by my regrets. I stumbled into success, but really I kicked in the door. My Achilles tore up my leg. Remember when I was pure, but ain't have nowhere I could rest. I told her make sure she's sure, for I never seen her again. Came knocking just like before, but the hinges was all cement. I'm squaring up at the score, wasn't sure this is what I meant. To spin it toward another limb. Yeah, was my one way to patch the dead. Ain't have nothing to back the checks. I make love and I latch my chest. I swear to God, like